Welcome to the Aquaview channel. Today we're unboxing the M2 Diver by Haig Hastings.
Wow!
Comes in this pretty neat little box, as you can see. Nice little packaging. Look at that. The M2 Diver, Haig Hastings, Australian company, right here in Western Australia. Neatly packaged. This particular model is called the Blue Ring. I got this one with the deployment strap, which I think will go well on there, definitely. Look at that. Pretty good looking watch. It's big. This one here has the clip. There we have it. Nice. Okay, as you can see, brandings, Australia on the buckle. It's a mixture of sewn silicone strap with the branding on each side. As you can see, good finish. Back, Italian made. There you go, made in Italy. It's an automatic M2 Diver, water resistant to 1,000 meters, which is 1,000 foot, which is 300 meters in. Look at the bezel. A little bit of play in the bezel, but I'm sure over time. Oh, it's very nice. I have a feel of that. A little bit of play, but clicks into place nicely. And Haig Hastings have set the time. As you can see, it's now 12 minutes past 9 in the evening, and the date is also set there. You can't quite see it, but under there, 14th of October 2020. And these are unusual times. See the second hand there sweeping very nicely. It's a very bulky utility watch. Brushed finish, the crown. Oh, well, very nice. Look at that. There it comes. It has a 3 motion. Date, time, screw it back into place. There we go. Very nice. All right, let's see how it wears. There you go, the Haig Hastings M2 Diver in blue, called the Blue Ring. Magnificent timepiece, made by a great Australian company, Haig Hastings. Do yourself a favour, get out there, get yourself one. Support your local and Australian made products. So there you have it, Haig Hastings M2 diver, good timepiece. I won't discuss price points because they'll be different all over the country and internationally. Look them up, just type in Haig Hastings. They've got a good range of watches from the robust military watch right down to your dress watches. So look after your locals and your Australian made products. Go get yourself one. Thanks for watching. Always good to see you guys checking out the Eps22 channel. Ring that bell, hit subscribe. Don't forget those likes. See ya.